How to use iPhone if the power button is broken. How do I unlock my iPhone? If you don't have Raise to Wake enabled, there are 3 ways to unlock your iPhone. Press the silent mode button, call or send a message, or put the iPhone on charge, after which you can unlock the phone. How to replace a broken power button. You can turn on the universal virtual button to somehow replace the power button. To activate the virtual button, open the iPhone settings. Scroll down, Accessibility, tap Touch, Assistive Touch. Turn on Assistive Touch. How do I lock my iPhone? Tap on the virtual associative touch button next to the device and then tap the lock icon. How do I turn off my iPhone? Go to Settings and then to the General, scroll down and tap Shutdown, drag the power off slider. How do I turn on my iPhone? Connect your iPhone to the charger, then the iPhone will turn on in a few seconds. Any unresolved questions, write in the comments.